same thing in the public. I'm the middleman. Okay.
What to tell, sir? Let people be happy according to their wish, sir. Why? Who are we to go against it, sir? Now it has become the part of Nepali culture also.
Yeah. We are celebrating. Most of Nepali people need to celebrate according to our ancient original culture. If we follow as the people, as a small teenage, they are quite ignorant. They don't know about that. So that they came to school and learn
What we are giving
the right and
knowledge,
wrong
sir.
thing.
This is the right thing they are doing. Let's not go against it. They are doing right thing.
Yeah.
There is nothing wrong in it to make rangoli in school. That is, I don't think that is a wrong activities.
One thing, as you are a vice principal of this school, so I would like to request you to that. The students are quite ignorant. They came to school, they joined school so as to know the right and the wrong, and what is our culture, what is the right thing, what is the wrong thing, what is do's and don'ts. So teachers, school, parents, society should teach them the right and wrong things. If they are doing wrong thing, the teacher, parents, society, everyone should talk about, oh my children, oh my teenagers, listen, these are wrong, these are right. So it's our duty to teach them the right path.
You're right.
If we quiet, if we do not speak. So the Albert Einstein talked about this world is being dangerous to live in, not because of the people who are evil, but because of the people who do nothing about it. Albert Einstein talked about that. If anybody is doing wrong, if you are not able to say wrong as wrong and wrong as a wrong, what is the use of your education?
So then let's not talk about Einstein because he doesn't belong to Nepal. Then everything it has become now global village.
Just now you
are
thought
still talking
Albert
about
Einstein is not belongs to it. Why? Albert Einstein belongs to the world.
I think you don't
He's a
have
super scientist and a superman, supernatural power man.
No, not only that. There are many Albert Einstein who are not shown it. There are many unknown heroes. Those who have come into the light, they are not everything. So there are many hundreds of hidden Einstein, hidden Buddhas. Buddha was on limelight. He came into limelight. But there are
I know that. More than 550 Buddha have been born.
No, sir. There is yet to discover, sir. They silently walk and silently pass away. There are many unknown heroes that people are unknown about them.
I agree that. There are so many unknown heroes in the world.
Not all them.
I agree with that. I agree with that.
They become so simple, they living very ordinary life. How do you know that such a great persons?
Yeah.
So
one thing you spoke just now is I agree with that. There are so many unknown heroes, so many we have to obey them, and the public may not know about them.
Yes.
So
Yes,
he may know.
Yes.
That is why we have to rise them, because this guy is this guy is so speak in this way. So we have to follow this guy. So it's our duty as well, because there are Kashyapa Buddha, you know about the Kashyapa Buddha. Before the Sakyamuni Buddha, there was Kashyapa Buddha.
Sir, regarding right and wrong, only the great sage, greatest people who is free from this world and theories and concept can tell only what is truly right and which is truly wrong. But these simple people, just they are expressing their opinion only. The opinion only. Only the great persons who have discovered the real meaning and purpose of life can tell and have the right to tell what is right and what is wrong. Otherwise, we just are the followers.
One thing, Osho Rajneesh also talk about this single world is everyone. And now is fractionate in the France, German, Italy, so and so, blah blah blah. So this single word is belongs to everyone, every human being, mankind. So in that theory, you are right. But now Russia, Ukraine war, China, Tibet war, China, Taiwan war, and so many war.
You're right. That is what.
According, yeah.
Exactly, sir. That is what we have to stop. But playing with Holi, playing with color, making rangoli. Why we need to go against it? Of course, Ukraine and Russian war. We have to stop it. We have to fight for it. But when that is good thing and not it is not harming to anyone, why we need to go against it, sir?
My
question is that.
saying that the Rangoli is not our culture. We have separate different
Our
culture.
culture,
So we have to
universal-
pursue
universal
the
feeling, sir.
explain that
Universal
this culture not belongs to us.
No,
These
be the
are
world
our
citizens,
culture.
be the
Just
world
like,
citizen. No
just
India,
like
no
she's
Nepal,
wearing
no Pakistan,
she's
no.
wearing Newari dress. Yeah,
Then-
that is our culture. And you and myself wearing not.
Hindi also, some our Madhesi people are speaking Hindi language. They are also, it is very much popular in Madhesi. So that's why, that is also, why can't you adjust it?
Oh,
adapt it?
yeah, we have 86 different ethnic language here.
So then here also that our
86 different ethnic
teacher
language.
Chaudhary, our teacher is
Yeah,
also
the
here.
Chaudhary.
Yeah.
Not Hindi and Chaudhary, Bhojpuri, Maithili is also our national language. Newari also national language. Gurung language is also national language. Tibet,
So Hindi also-
Lasso, Hindi also national language.
Then
National
Rangoli
language.
also, then Hindi.
No,
sir.
Hindi and Rangoli
What do you
is
say
quite
about birthday?
different.
Is it our culture, sir? Birthday, celebrating birthday culture. Is it our culture? What do you say about
That
birthday?
is the wrong thing they are celebrating.
what are you doing
That
till
is-
now then?
Yeah. Our original culture, what
No, sir.
we should
Let's
teach.
make it up. Be rich in culture, sir. Why English language has become a popular language? Because it adopts lots of language, Nepali, Chinese, Japanese. It accepts. So be open to accept the new culture, sir. That will be better. Let's accept. Why English is rich in language and expression? Because it adopts Chinese language also there, Nepali language also there. So
English is our second language,
no, sir.
not our mother
Be the
tongue.
international citizen and you will appreciate English language. Why the very language also, let's avoid it. Why are you speaking English language?
As per my profession, I need to know that.
Then this also it brings
That is not their
it adds-
profession.
it adds-
They are not artists.
No,
They are
it
not
adds-
artists. If they are artists, they do that. It's no problem.
No, sir, I
But
don't.
that we are now we are celebrating our culture.
No, sir, in
culture.
the,
Yeah,
in the
culture.
due
That is
course
why.
of time, you will realize that it has already become the part of our culture. It's useless to go against Rangoli culture. It has become part of Nepali culture also. Why Indian culture?
They have to know that what is the Nepali part of culture, what is the Indian culture, what is the Western culture, or what is the American culture. We should teach them.
Narrow thinking,
Yeah.
sir. Narrow thinking.
Not
You-
narrow
you-
thinking.
sorry.
You have to teach them every
What's
instant
wrong?
that
When
this
you
is
are playing with
not our
Rangoli and
culture.
color, what
This
is- what is
is
your
culture
object?
imported from India. This culture belongs to Nepal. Yeah, we all have to teach them this thing. They are quite ignorant person. They don't know about that. Even by their parents, even by their social members, they don't know about that. So schools schools duty is to teach them these all things.
I think so. I'm sorry. I'm sad to tell you that, sir. In this age, coming to this age, also you are not accepting this culture. Means you have to rethink on it, sir. Kindly, sir. I kindly request you. You just the thing which you cannot stop.
My
better to
saying that
accept.
only they are quite students are quite ignorant. So we have to teach them right and wrong. If any student asks about what is the behind of that hill, we have to say behind the hill there is something this. We don't know the blah blah blah. We do not the give up saying that.
I value you. I value your opinion. You seem like to be pro-nationalist, and it takes us nowhere. Also, sir. Of course, we should love the nation, and we have to think about it. But when my main question is when that is not wrong. When people are enjoying with the color, then there is no need to.
Now, now the people of Nepal they are give upping all the patriotism technique theory because of this. Even every society, every member, everyone, the generation, they are living our patriotism. What this nation belongs to.
we have to spread
Even
the
Indian
message.
people, even
then-
Indian people,
then-
they have patriotism.
Then we have to spread the message from Nepal. Nepal is going to be the role model for the world. Then we will teach them.
No.
After all, Nepal is the-
In India have the patriotism.
Yes,
They have the
that is wrong
patriotism.
patriotism, sir. Patriotism also can have a separate topic. What do you know about patriotism means? Patriotism means to accept the world culture. World. Let's the world not be divided into narrow. You reminded me the one of the celebrated poem written by Eastern poet Rabindranath Tagore.